So how do you know if you can trust your boiler engineer? They come round, diagnose the fault, say you need this part and that part. Well, if you don't trust them, ask them what part it is. You know, if you're happy to pay it, then pay it, fine. But don't be afraid to go on Google and research how much the parts are and to see if you're being ripped off. Fine, yeah, most of them will make a bit of a markup on it. That's fine. I'd be happy to pay that. You know, they all do. That's fine. But if you're being charged what you think is a ridiculous amount, go on Google, find boiler spares, and just ask them. Tell them what boiler it is. Mine's an Optimax HE Plus 31C. My engineer told me that he can't get parts for this, that they're obsolete, and I need a new boiler at about £1,800. Boiler cost about 700, so he's making over £1,000. That might be the going rate. I've no issue with that. If that's what you have to pay for a new boiler, that's fine. What I do have an issue with is when the engineer says you can't get the parts and obsolete, and clearly they're not, because I found them readily available. So I did my research, found a company, asked them for a part, and they said, yeah, 230 quid. This is what you want. So, I could find another engineer to install it, but I'm happy working with circuit board. So this one, I'm just going to swap the circuit board myself. I will take necessary safety precautions and anti-static precautions. I've worked with circuit boards before, so I'm happy doing that. I wouldn't say that to anyone. I wouldn't recommend anyone doing it themselves unless you know what you're doing. I didn't need a new one because I found there's a company that actually repairs circuit boards. You can send your old one off and they'll repair it. Yeah, you might be desperate for heating and water and so on, and so you might need one next day. But the company that repairs them, if they've got any stock, they'll send you one, like they have with mine, send you it straight away, next day delivery, and you just send yours in the post back with the return label, and that's it. And it cost me 70 quid instead of 230 quid, which is a bit of a saving.